Have you ever heard of the Harpy eagle, the ultimate king of the rainforest? They don't call it the royal hawk in Brazil for nothing. With its massive size and unmatched power, it's the true ruler of the skies. This incredible bird lives high up in the treetops of tropical rainforests, silently swooping down on its prey like a stealthy hunter. But here's the sad part. Because of habitat destruction, it's vanished from a lot of its old stomping grounds and is almost gone from Central America. Also known as the American harpy eagle, this majestic creature was once the top predator of the skies. Think it'll ever make a comeback?